Ayan na naman ang cameraman. Sira na naman ang tayo.
Yung buday, yung bakit ang ulo.
Masakit ang ulo niya, kinaligo. Alam.
Kalimutan mo ng kape ko na.
But on this part of the peninsula, the Japanese tried to make amphibious landings because of their failure to penetrate the main line of resistance of the main peninsula. But that, along with the Battle of the Pockets,
Paano ginagawa na ba?
Ha?
Ano ginagawa?
Tongit. Music yan ah.
Lagyan mo ng ano to.
Ano? Ayan, nasa likod siya.
Alam naman ang ano.
Corridor.
Asa na si Camille? Camille, punta anak kayo sa kami dito. Iniwan niyo yung dalawang tungkol doon. Hoy, Rose! Balik ka na rin. Rose, halika dito. Baka matay-talik ka dyan eh. Tatay. Camille, balik ka na. Kami iceberg. Sama mo si ano? Rose, baka may ice cube.
Yan, ang anak sa labas ni MacArthur. Nakatalikod. Yan.
Halika na dito. Baka mahalis yung ano mo.
Dali.
Tama na, masyado na marami.
Oh.
Highlight.
Ano lang naman yan eh.
Tumatawa ko pa. Bakit? Tumatawa.
At ba't yung dalawang mag-ina na ka?
Grabe talaga. Hi!
Yung mga hapon.
Just take your last pictures. Report the games now. From here, we go on to the head of hold the basketball and bowling tournaments. Now, during those times, this area contained some of the warehouses, service houses, some of the quarters of the non-commissioned officers. Three-story building.
Kuya, patingin.
No.
Was the building assigned to the American soldiers. We started with about 90,000 soldiers. Now, if you take a closer look at the buildings, you can still find the original paint on the walls over there. And this has been painted in the building. We are behind the building, so this is the back section. Now, when you take a look at the buildings on the highway,
Hello. Cute ka na.
Hindi po, tingnan ko.
there are 6 CA stands for Coast Artillery, the double A for the anti-aircraft standing over here. But this 12-big shell here is Saan Peninsula is roughly 2 miles north of the northern shore.
Ayan na.
Mahulog ka. Oh, si Buday,
So the buildings surrounding the concrete pit are the ammunition chambers. That's why the jam is locked up. Now 3 and 4, if you take a closer
Yan po
look,
anak ko, kinakalikot ang mortar.
or to the board, you find this lump inside. You find the dent also in the
Gobres.
outer barrel there. And number 4 here, also the dent and the big crack. Now 3 and 4 are the 2 mortars which got a direct hit from Japanese fire. So that was 4 days before the island surrendered. I've seen some of them in the north a while ago, and they went into Malintotan.
Mga ano to, brother? Parang Brad.
Dalagahan ng bala siguro. Magazine chamber. Kasi may release eh. Oh. Pinapatong nila yung release na pa ganun eh.
Pupunta sa for the cargo trucks and
Talaga
for
control
the cars
nito.
on the island. 20 kilometers for the railways on the island and about 100 kilometers. Then after that, we head on to the high point of the island for only about half an hour to check out the museum, the Pacific War Memorial. So if you'd like to board ships now. But I'd like to introduce to your drivers. We have driver first here. We have Magdo, the foliage here. Now that's also one of the gun improvements, or what they call the disappearing guns on the island. And when you get to the museum later on, they have a picture of what they call the 12-inch disappearing guns on the island. These are actually retractable guns. Check out this small island here. Well, anyway, we have 5 islands at the entrance of Manila Bay. And of the 5 islands, 4 were fortified by the Americans, including Corregidor, the biggest of the 5 islands. And also down by the road, on the right side of the road, we have a spear barrel over there. So the major batteries always have a spear barrels. Now this is a 54-ton barrel over there. The ones you've seen earlier with only about 13 tons each. Now if you take a look inside the ammunition chamber today, you find a few of the steel hooks still stuck on the wall.
It's inside Battery Hearn now. Ayan po, nasa loob ang mga osyusero ng Battery Hearn. Justice sa night vision. Night vision adaptation now.
Kailan ba? Hindi ko naman alam. Ay, hindi ko na rin
Kinakalikot ng anak ko ang kanyon. So, mong gagalawin yan at nakatutok sa bahay natin yung kanyon na yan. Ayan ang back view ng kanyon sa Battery Hearn.
Okay, so from here we head on to the highest point of the island. Now you've seen Battery Way and this one. Building on the highest point of Corregidor. Now you see the buildings. You have a few buildings lined up to the left side of the parade ground. Now those were the houses of the senior officers who had their families with them on the island because they had the fireplaces. Actually, they had the fireplace on the 2nd floor and on the ground floor. It was called Mylong because of its extraordinary length. So the building doesn't require measure Mylong. It's actually about 600 yards. Now behind me, we have used to be the movie house on top side. Now the sign over here is Cine Corregidor because before the building to my left side, the doorstep, up there, was reached 1916 for the Gromer Numero, one of the...
Ito kayo, hindi. Ano kayo, dali? Wala akong galit. Mare. Buday. Ay, buday. Okay, ready?
This is the Pacific War
Behind the
Memorial.
ruined movie house today, we have the museum of the island. So again, in the museum, you get to see the pictures of Corregidor before, during, after the war. So please check your watches. I'll be giving you free time from here on. So please check it. Let's have 30 minutes. Okay, just add 30 minutes to your watches. And we meet back at the jeeps over here. We have the pictures of the island before and during the war. So you may spend time in the museum.
Ito, tama yung sinabi mo yun.
Toko, saya, ya si Goku ano yun ako din ito, lumatawag din pa rin. Kaya ang ulam.
I think later on, this is where they have this is the west entrance of Maliban Tunnel. You enter the tunnel from the other side, from the east entrance. If you take a look at this portion here, you see the exactly what it is. And when you get onto the entrance there, you see the bridge is like over here. There's one thing in this picture here. Now, this is known as El Barriles, one of the islands at the south.
Gago.
Andahan lang. Ganyan.
Ding ding. That's when you're like, ano ba?
These 18-inch shells here belong to the Japanese Navy.
Money. Let's get
So this belongs to the Japanese Musashi Yamato.
Ano ba yan tinitingnan?
Tawa ka. Ano ba naman?
Discorbatics. That's my mom.
Ayoko na muro yung dalawa. Ayun na. Ay, Sikat na yan, kaya ang dali ni Papa mo.
Ito, meron din ano, tubig. Pupunta siguro dito yung tubig.
Pare. Sinet, Sherry Bill. Nasa jeep?
Hello! Yan. Barrio Pugad Baboy.
Ulo.
Yes.
Ulo talaga.
Yan. Kasama ang mga biik.
Hello.
Hi, this is Editon. Where's the stupid backlight? Yan. Ayan. That is Malinta Tower. Tunnel. From afar, from here.
Ano yun, Dad?
Malinta Tunnel.
Ayan na.
Yun na.
Doon pala tayo pupunta.
Sa baba na yun. Maliit na yun.
Dapat napakalawak na space
Ayan
dito
sila.
from here.
Hello.
No.
Malaking island din eh.
Hello.
Mahulog kayo dyan, anak.
Kaya nga sa dami ng tao na naglaban, napakaliit ng island na to.
Ayun pala yung, ayun yung maling tatanod, doon ang punta natin.
Ayun mo, ang cute may bahay.
Kaya balik ka tayo.
Ayun na.
Mainit.
Sakay.
Tama na eh, pagod si Papa eh. Ay, bigat.
Dito, akit ka. Para hindi na bumaba.
Anunahan sila.
Kumawa ka dito sa leg ko. Sa leg, mahuhulog ka. Hawa ka sa leg na.
Nauuna. Natawa ko sa gabi. Nauuna ako.
Tang tarang. Tang tarang. Tang tarang. Ayan na, ang dalawang baboy, isang maliit at isang malaki. Papalapit na po sila mga kaibigan.
Horseman contact with the Filipino foreigners. It was Lapu-Lapu, the Filipino guilty Portuguese for Magellan.
Ba't hindi mo ako tinatawagan?
In 1986, they've included over here
Hindi
what
ka
they call
pumasok sa ano?
Piquetza
Eh?
Exclusion.
Oh. Oh, ano? Ba't hindi ka nag-hello?
Anti-aircraft guns. Now, Corregidor had its own anti-aircraft guns. But before they surrendered, the Japanese wiped out all the anti-aircraft batteries on the island. And when the Japanese were...
Bawal ang karga sa loob. Bawal ang karga loob.
Phil American garrison called Fort Mills, guarding the sea approaches to Manila Bay.
Ilaw na.
Mr. President, please accept our apologies for not being able to give you and your family more comfortable quarters.
We understand, General. We have to make the best of the situation, but think no more about it. You know, as a young man during the Phil-American War, I went through worse conditions fighting you Americans. So don't worry, General. I assure you, we will survive.
President Quezon recalls.
When we heard the words Gloria in excelsis Deo in terra pax bone voluntatis, the heavenly song sung by angels almost 2,000 years ago, but to worse, the lack of fresh air is determined to face its dire consequences.
Considered to have been one of the heaviest attacks the island would sustain during the war.
Prisoners, what about us? This man's badly wounded. Hell, this man died.
Please understand, we only have doctors for all the wounded.
There was now no denying their absolute resolve for absolute conquest. They had complete control of land, sea, and air operations, and still, no help was coming for the beleaguered Phil-American forces. President Quezon, outraged of the decision in the United States to direct and concentrate America's full force of arms and aid to Europe instead of the Pacific, fulminated.
How can they ride in anguish at the fate of a distant cousin in Europe, while a daughter is being raped right here in the back room?
Esteem and appreciation for the totally magnificent showing of faithfulness, heroism, and the spirit of sacrifice that the Philippine people, under your superb guidance, have shown. They are maintaining the most glorious standard of all three.
Reassessing realistic priorities of the global war, issued a reaffirmation of loyalty and trust in America, bringing the recurrence of an air raid in the afternoon of the next day, 30th of December. A small group gathered near the mouth of the country when on August 1st, 1944, President Quezon would die in Saranac. Deeply mourned by all liberty-loving people peoples of the world.
Of your command, that I am leaving over my repeated protests.
Of course I will.
Goodbye, Doctor. If you're still on Bataan when I get back, I'll make you a Lieutenant General.
I'll be on Bataan if I'm alive.
And return to the Philippines and driven the last remnant of the invaders from your soil.
The brilliant propaganda duel against the Japanese must...
Bataan has fallen. The Philippine-American troops on this war-ravaged and blood-stained peninsula have laid down their arms. With heads bloody but unbowed, they have yielded to the superior force and numbers of the enemy. The adversary, in the pride of his power and triumph, will credit our troops with nothing less than the courage and fortitude that his own troops have shown in battle. Our men have fought a brave and bitterly contested struggle. All the world will testify to the almost superhuman endurance with which they stood up until the last in the face of overwhelming odds. But the decision had to come. Men fighting under the banner of unshakable faith are made of something more than flesh, but they are not made of impervious steel. The flesh must yield at last. Endurance melts away, and the end of it all must come. Bataan has fallen, but the spirit that made it stand, a beacon to all the liberty-loving peoples of the world, cannot fail.
The Japanese completely demolished Battery Theory with a directly penetrating center magazine. On May 3rd, General Wainwright wired MacArthur.
The situation in Corregidor is desperate. The enemy is ready to assault any time.
On the morning of the 5th, activity centered on the tail of the island, with particular concentration on the island's beach defenses. Japanese landing craft hit the beaches between infantry and cavalry points. Taking stock of the open situation, General Wainwright summoned Generals Moore and Beatty and Doran.
The end must come tonight. It would be better to clear the situation now, in daylight.
Then he radioed his last message to General MacArthur and President Roosevelt.
I feel it is my duty to the nation and to my troops to end this useless slaughter. There is obviously no relief in sight. American and Filipino troops have engaged the enemy for nearly 5 months. We have done our full duty. We are sad but unashamed.
General Sessions attracted crowds, which gathered in the yard, and then...
Last I get to dance with you. Huh? Do you know, I never danced before. I mean, you're my first.
Okay, buddy. Have your first dance. It could be your last.
And told Colonel Sutton that he was ready to meet the demands of General Homan to unconditionally surrender all USARC forces in the Philippines. With General Wainwright's broadcast to all Philippine American forces to lay down their arms, the formal struggle of organized military warfare in the Philippines ended. Thus, Corregidor closed a chapter of his turbulent history. But the epic 27-day defense of Corregidor will stand in world military history as a glorious achievement in human valor and the display of immeasurable bravery for all the combatants.
成功しなければならない。間もなくアメリカの攻撃が起きるのは目に見えているからだ。しかし、今手持ちの武器の量からすると、そんな攻撃など簡単に追い払うことができるんだが。
Artillery battalions with their 75mm pack howitzers. 2 hours later, infantrymen of the 3rd Battalion, 34th Infantry Regiment, 24th Infantry Division, coming by sea from Mariveles, Bataan, landed at San Jose, Moccanside for a thorough mock-up operation. display their fanatical ferocity and love of country, and full adherence to their concept of Bushido. On February 26, some 200 Japanese entrenched themselves inside the former Navy-rated intercept tunnel at Monkey Point, waited until a company of American infantrymen was directly above the tunnel, then blew them up with the tunnel and themselves in one awesome but for them magnificent holocaust.
正午並びに兵士諸君、深い悲しみにかられつつしかし大な誇りでもってアメリカ軍に対する我が軍の断とした戦いの緊張をお知らせします。我が兵士はモンキーポイントのトンネルをもはや維持することができないと判断に到達しました。そこで報復の厳しさと恥を忍ぶ代わりに最高の犠牲を払うこと、つまりアメリカ軍が最も激しい攻撃をかけてきているトンネルを爆発し抑止することにしました。多くのために潔く命を捧げることにしたのです。帝国日本万歳！万歳！
I see the old flagstaff still stands. Have your troops hoist the colors to its beam. Let no enemy ever hold them down.
Galing sa gera.
Original, eh? Lateral pa.
Bundok yan.
Pero mahaba.
Talaga, we're finished.
Wala akong kuha dito.
Wala siyang kuha.
Ibig sabihin pala, ano pala yung...
Haba. Ang talis ka.
Probably make it thick. Hello.
Wave! Serving lunch. Lunch na naman.
My grandmother always said, it's over. She denied. She said I was crazy and paranoid.
Kung hindi mo kayang hindi
Teamshot yung dalawa yun?
Nen! Hindi ko rin makakasin. Malalamigan. Kasi gabi na. Hindi ko pwede na. Hindi mo muna ako pakuliyak kasi hindi mo mapapalo. Ngayon tingnan mo gabi na mayroon pag swimming na gabi. Tanong kita, may swimming pa na gabi. Tanong ka, sumagot ka. Itatakong kita dito. Sige.
Yeah, nakikita nyo po ang mga veterano ng Corregidor. Yan po, pagod na pagod sa pakikipaglaban. Ito pa ang mga pagod na pagod sa pakikipaglaban sa Corregidor Island. Ayun ang isa. Nasaan na? Nawawala yung isa. Ayun, napakalayo. Ayan, ang mga veterano, mga Japanese Imperial Army po yan.
Thank you, bossy.
Oh, teka muna, kukunan pa kita. Japanese Imperial Army. Ayan po. Ang mga nakipaglaban sa mga Hapones. Ayun, ang isa pa. Okay.
At ako yung isa.
At malapit na mamatay. Ang aking mukha na lang kami.
Ay, kinukuno ko.
Wala na yan. Kitang-kita naman dyan saan.
Naka-record pa rin yan.
Kami ay mga veterano ng World War II na nag-reincarnate.
Yan ang driver namin.
Yan ang driver yan. Hindi kasama sa World War II.
Taska sir ya.
Ayun, dami na din na yun. Ayaw. Sinalawa ka.
Ay, fuck you.
May sunga niya sa buntot. Buday! Buday na naman. Kaya si Buday.
Bata ka pa rin. Pero pag matanda.
Uy, kunin! Tingin! Yan.
Yan, nakita ng Las Piñas.
Ito nga
oh. Magkainom ko ito, nalasing na ako. Sila tama na lang.
Tita tayo, tita. Tita tayo, dali. Tita.
Yun.
Tita po,
Sinaksak mo ang puso.
Puputula ka na, Eduardo. Puputula.
Hindi, sana kung photo lang, pwede, ah.
Hindi naman magagawa yun.
Happy ba na? Love you, man,
Isang side lang yun.
Remember that.
Ilang side yun? Isa lang. Isang side lang. Pag pwede nagtitape. I love you daw puso. Sila ba ay duktong? Papakita yun.
Batang mental to, batang mental.
Ha?
Oo, pakinggan to. Nakainom na.
Ay, yan ako.
Kapipuman. Malito ang budget.
Kami daw sawan.
Dapat pinupunta mo ikaw ang bodyguard eh, Dong.
Dong, di ka.
Kailangan pala mag-adjust ka na si Ana. Sina ano gusto mo inaway ka ni Netnet? Inaway ka ni Netnet? Ah, hindi.
Sabi mo na net ipapok yung uniform.
Meron tayo sa bahay dati.
Sardine. Ayan, umiiyak na bata.
Umiiyak na bata.
Point on.
Hindi siya makakarating ng Amerika.
Hindi. Maligid. Hindi kami nakita ngayon, di ba? Nakayakap pa kanya ngayon. Nilaki yun lang ko ito.
Huwag matanggalin. Nagkukulang ka rin. Ay. Magtuling-tuling yan, no? Oo.
Hello.
love you.
Kamukhang kamukha tuloy ng amat tuloy. Hindi na paraan yan.
Hindi ka alam. Kaya ano yun? Matagal tayo mo. Magiging ako ng mga anak ko.
I'm the best. I'm the west. No, I'm the south. Yeah, no pepper. Yeah, pepper. Ano? Pepper. Bakit na naman ang isa?
I love you.
Under Veneto.
Ang favorite ko siya. Alcohol.
Ayun si mama may kumukuha. Kumukuha ka na.
I spoke beer.
Yung malamig sa bote.